Friends, we start our masterclass. Today's topic, one, the most important thing you need to know to become profitable in crypto trading and trading other markets. I spent a lot of years trying different strategies. I remember how it to be a beginner. When you try different stuff, it doesn't work. And today's masterclass will cut you several years and thousands of money that you will lose if you won't listen me. That's why it's super important for you to be till the end. This masterclass will be useful even if you watch record of it within several days, weeks, even a year, because this knowledge will be really useful for you. At this moment, as always, share with me about audio quality from 1 to 10. How do you enjoy audio quality from 1 to 10? And let me open, let me see that we had started. Yes, we started. Good. And let me remind to our team that we started. Okay, we have started. Good. 10, 10, 10, 10. Before we start, I would like to ask you one important question. Where are you from? Because we have a tradition to share your location where you're watching me. And within 2 minutes, we'll start our topic. I prepared for you beautiful presentations that would be really useful for you. Slovenia, Pakistan, Czech Republic, Brazil, UAE, awesome. We have Europe, we have Estonia, we have Pakistan. Do we have anyone? Lisbon, cool. I see it is a quite beautiful geography. Ukraine, happy to see you here. Lithuania, Tamgia, Selo, Владислав Самко, Село, Adju, Djibouti, cool. UK, awesome. Okay, my friends, I'm happy that we are here. I won't spend a lot of your time. Let's start. Write plus in the chat that you're ready to start, because remember it is live. And the most important thing in trading, it is to understand a trend. And today we will cover the most important part. I will share with you how to understand a trends, what trends are. Why do you think trend is the most important? I spent a lot of time with learning order flow, with learning volume profile, with learning clusters, with learning spot volume, with learning all of this stuff. And many of you, I think, saw lessons about it on our YouTube channel. But after trading this stuff so many times, I still think that the most important is trend. After that, when you understand a trend, you can use different stuff such as volume profile and all other stuff. That's why once more, let me explain to you. I prepared this presentation. We will cover it within a few minutes. And once more, what's the major reason why I think trends are the most important? When we do trading, we always looking for something, like when we do trades, we always looking for some super indicators that will give to us really beautiful entries that will show a direction. But in most cases, what you will see, price moves in a sideways, start a trend, and the most important to understand the difference between those periods. Because if you understand what trend you are in, for you, it would be way easier to take a trade. How many of you understand the stuff from 1 to 10? Because I understand that many of you came here and maybe you think about some magic indicator or anything like that. But sometimes the most important thing is easy, but difficult to implement. 8. This independent of time frame. There are trends on lower and higher time frames. On both of them, you need to understand a trend. 10 now, good. Example, a trend. Why trend is the most important? Because many of you, when you do trades, let me show to you a few examples why trend is the most important. Many of you, especially those of you that look and analyze order flow, by the way, how many of you saw at least any of order flow indicators? Because many of you follow me on YouTube quite long enough. How many of you understand what's volume profile, what's delta, open interest, all of that stuff? Right, if you understand all of them, plus, minus if you don't understand all of them. Why I ask this stuff? Because I was like you, I was looking for some magic indicators that will show to me. I just would look, open interest. I would look on open interest and it would definitely give me a clear direction. I would look for some other stuff and it would definitely give me good entry, like delta, big volume, anything like that. But when I saw my account, it didn't rising because after I understood that trend far important and only after you can use order flow, it changed dramatically. Even example for you, those of you that trade, example for you like here on this beautiful coin, it is Ethereum. Where is that volume? Let's do Bitcoin. Where is that volume indicator? Like those of you that use volume indicator, you would see that quite significant volume at high, and some of you could try to take a short because of that significant volume. But what price did? Nearly nothing and continue. In some cases, significant volume spike lead to clear reversal. In some cases, there a lot of volume at high, but what price do? Just go on, continue. Have to understand the difference. In what cases it's a signal for continue, but in what cases it's a signal that there would be reversal. How many of you ask yourself that question? Write plus or one, write one if you ever ask that question, because I asked myself really a lot of times. And only understanding market structure and trend, I understood in what cases it's better to use, in what cases it's worse to use. Because of that, I do my BTC analysis, and many of you saw how they quite often accurate. Because what the most important answer, it is to understand a trend. When you understand market direction, that with bigger chance trend would go on, because you know that after breakout of important value, price do, for example, 2-3 ways of rise. You wouldn't look for any reversal until there would be clear signals of weakness. Because even here, again, you analyze the chart and you can see that, again, significant volume here didn't reverse, significant volume here didn't reverse, but for example, significant volume here, it was exactly a reversal point on Bitcoin. Or even here, why would this one? It was exactly reversal points. But this one here inside, price did like nothing, continue a range. That's a reason why within few seconds, I will explain to you all the stuff with order flow, but before you need to know what is a trend. How can we understand, how can we use this stuff if most of the people don't even understand what trend is? That's a reason why we need to learn it. Write plus if you're ready to learn what trend is. And after that, in the second part, I'll share with you how by using trends, you can add order flow, and in that case you will have just perfect structure. Because what must be our structure when we do trading? When we do trading, our structure must be like this one. It must be our this structure. Let me build it. This one. Okay, like this. Foundation is understanding structure. I call it, some people call it market structure, some call it trend and the environment. What is environment? It is a trend market or range market. Some people call it differently, but let's call it trend. Understanding trend. After, when you understand a trend, you must understand what is your key zone to trade. Because even if trend long, you wouldn't take a trade in a bad place. I will explain to you what it is. And only the last part, it is your entry point with clear stop loss and take profit. When you have here understanding, this one will be easy. Let's go to trends. Friends, support me with your like and subscription, because that we spent quite a lot of time to make for you this beautiful presentation. By the way, for every one of you that would open at this moment this stream, push like, and would follow me on my public Telegram, I will do a special offer for all of you. I will give you access to my big size bot, where you can see quite significant volume. That's why right now, in the description to a video, there would be this link. Open and follow me on my public Telegram. You will get access to a beautiful big size bot where you can see significant volumes that traded on BTC, Solana, Ethereum, and often price makes significant movement from that volume. That's why follow me there right now before we start. Okay. Let's go. Trends. A trend is a general direction of a market. It is a direction in which market maker push the price. There are three types of trends. First, sideways. It is when price moves sideways. Some people call it range. Long trend means uptrend. And of course, short trend, it is downtrend. Also, we can separate those trends based on time, because there are local trend and global trend. What is a local and global difference? For example, global, it can be a price move for weeks, but sometimes during those up prices, price can make local moves down, and after that global trend go on. Global trend consists from quite a lot of local trends. I will share with you a lot of them, examples. Sideways, it is a period of time when price moves in sideways in a range, up and down. It is an example for you of a sideways trend when price is in a range. I will explain to you what we trade during this environment. We call it a range environment or range trend, sideways trend. You can call it as you wish. Depends what name is better for you, which name you like more. It is a sideways. A long trend or short trend, it is a period of time when price show clear direction with lower low, higher highs. Example for you like this one. Example of a long trend. What we have here, every low and high become higher. It's obvious, uptrend. Still uptrend. Sometimes this pace can change, but still it is uptrend. Every low, as you can see, higher. Only here it was a first lower low. Example of a short trend. Have a look, beautiful short trend. Also every high lower and every low also lower. What is a global trend and local trend? I will cover this part, and after that I will share with you quite a lot of examples. My friend, wait a few minutes. For a start, I finish this, and after that, we will cover those questions with real examples, quite a lot of them. Example of a global sideways trend, like this one. Global sideways trend. This one quite big sideways trend. This quite big sideways trend. It is when price move in a sideways or range. Example for you of a global long trend. Price, for example, where in a range, started rise, create new range, started rise, create new range, started rise, make pullback, but still it was uptrend. It is a bigger scale. What's the difference between global and local? Global, you analyze on a daily time frame. Global trend always analyze on a bigger time frame. You can do daily. Sometimes I do 12 hours. Like I have here 12 hours. Sometimes I do 12 hours or I do daily. Depends what you like. You can do both. It's not a big deal which one you would use. Example for you of a global short trend, downtrend. Again, price did move, pull back, range, drop, pull back, range, pull back, big drop, range, drop. Like global trend, it isn't something that moves only like it moves only down. As you can see, every big trend consists from trends on a lower time frame. A local trend. What is a local trend? It is a trend within a few days, a week, and you analyze it on a smaller time frame. For example, local trend we analyze on 1 hour, 30-minute, 4-hour time frame. Like example for you on BTC. Let me show to you a practical example. Like at this moment on Bitcoin, let's delete everything. On a daily, what trend it is at this moment? My friends, share in a comment what at this moment trend we are in. Range, up, range, sideways, bearish. Tomji, bearish? No, it's not bearish. Where is down? Tell me, where is down? If it is range market, range, because price moves sideways, up and down, up and down, up and down. And it's example for you how it is a global trend because we analyze it on bigger time frame, on daily. But this global trend consists from trends on a smaller time frame. And here example for you, local downtrend. When price did every high, lower, 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 lower. Or this local uptrend, local downtrend, local range, local uptrend, local uptrend, local range, local range, local range, local uptrend, go on. Every big trend consists from trends on a smaller time frame. From 1 to 10, how this stuff is clear for you? Share with me. Or should I share some additional examples? Here, once more, example for you of a local trend. Example of a local trend on BTC. Price were, for example, in a sideways. And here, breakout from where you started, and it started uptrend. Again, sideways. Example of a local sideways trend. Example for you, how we have on a bigger time frame, price were in uptrend, but here, it was local downtrend during this uptrend. Mate, believe me, I like swing trades far better than scalping, and I can explain why. Once more, that's example. What is the most important for you? Because many of you, as I shared for you for a start, when you use order flow, you should ask yourself the most important questions. First, the most important question, it is, in what cases trend would go on? And second question, in what cases there would be stop or even reversal of a trend? When you will have answer to these two questions, in those questions, you will understand where to use order flow. Because if you understand that statistically, for example, price started a trend, some delta or some open interest, in most cases, wouldn't stop it. How many of you understood this phrase? Because it is really important. When you understand trend direction, you will understand in what cases order flow you don't need. When you have clear signals of reversal, in those cases, you will use order flow. Repeat, please. Okay. Let me repeat. There are two things that all of you should know. First one, you always must ask yourself two questions. In what cases trend would go on? And in what cases it would be likely stop or even reversal of a trend? What's the difference between this and this? That's really super important question. Answer to this question will help you, because here often you will see significant volume, big delta, big open interest, but price would go on. But here you will see like this one, clear reversal. You will have clear points where you need to take a trade against a trend or into new trend. Let me show to you with an examples when it's clear, because when you understand this one, when this appears, you will understand also when this one also. In what cases it would be a clear signal that there would be a reversal of a trend? Based on my experience, there are three ways to how to understand that there would be reversal or a stop of a trend. And in those cases, it would be really awesome to take a trade. I will show to you a few examples. First, how a trend reversal occurs when the price reach a certain support or resistance zone. It is the first one. Second, when price break from significant long accumulation, it often starts a trend. Also, I will show to you examples. When price reach significant liquidation or large volume, it also a signal for trend reversal. Let me show to you examples to each of these. And in that cases, you will understand how to use also order flow with that. Okay, let's cover this one, the easiest one, significant liquidation. Why significant liquidation and big volume offer a signal for reversal? Let me show to you this example. It was this beautiful trade that I shared with our community. I shared a signal also about BTC, because when I see quite really beautiful ideas, I always share a signal, clear signals with stop loss and take profit. And it was a trade exactly that I shared. And let me explain to you why here we took long trade. Because two important things happened. First one, it is significant liquidation. How many of you understand what liquidation is? If you understand, write plus. If you don't understand, minus. I will explain deeply. In most cases, liquidation, it is big drop in open interest, big drop in delta or rise in delta, because liquidation can be in both directions. And often it's a signal of a trend reversal. And that's example for you of a moment when you need to use order flow. Because for you, it's clear, price did significant liquidation, and good. Based on that, you understand that there could be a stop. But when do we take a trade? The best place to take a trade, based on my experience, it is when price after, like have a look at this order flow. On order flow platform, I saw this series of significant delta with big volume. But I understand, based on my experience, that to try catch a knife, it's not wise. Because sometimes liquidation can be like price take low, 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 and only after, when they create a range, at value area low of that range, we can take trade into opposite direction. In that case, you use order flow. And here, have a look. It was exactly a moment when we took a trade. It was here. When after significant liquidation, you have value below value area low, you take a trade into opposite direction. In that case, because based on my experience, it is a clear and obvious what price do. Like 9 of 10 situations, there would be pullback. There wouldn't be a price continue. That's what you need to do when you do trade a market. You need to write down to yourself situations that repeat and played out with big chances, with big win rate. And you gather together all of this stuff and you see clear liquidations. This beautiful, clear liquidations. That's example for you when you understand that there would be a reversal, when you have beautiful liquidation. But let's open BTC. It was exactly this situation. Here, it was exactly this moment when we took a trade. It was really beautiful trade. It was really beautiful trades that we took. Nearly at bottom, really close to a bottom. But when you understood that here would be reversal, what to do after? Because in many cases after, there is no volume. And what we do after? If there is no volume, if there is no additional confirmation based on order flow, what to do? Should we continue or should we look for reversal? What should we do? We have next options. First option, do nothing. Second option, it is rely on statistic. Statistically, after clear trend reversal, price moves several ways. Price never move like this one. Price moved up, move down. No. In most cases, price moves like move up, little bit consolidate, move up. After that, price moves in such ways. And here you can take trade only based on statistic. Let me show to you even a trade that we took with our community on simply based on statistic. It is this one. And let's cover a few of them. Friends, write plus in the chat if you like when I share real examples that we took at trades with our community and reasons behind why we took it. Write plus in the chat if you enjoy it. Before I share with you all of these examples, I would like remind to all of you that at this moment, my friends, all of you have good opportunity to join our community where we share signals, trading plan ideas that will help you make money. Few words about what you exactly will get inside our community, and after that, let's go to bigger amount of examples. In our private club with our traders, we share info about trades with clear entry and exit, regular online meetings, chat with experienced traders, it is with me and my team, market analysis on daily basis, analysis coins for trading and trading bot. What exactly how it looks like? It is our trades here. I share with clear stop loss take profit, what to do, what to trade. Like at this moment, we have beautiful trade on Ethereum. And for example, Ethereum follows the plan. Clear stop loss take profit. Long stop loss take profit tagged everyone. Chat, it is a place where you can ask me, my team, about important questions when you need some help. Trading plans, sometimes there is no a signal like in this very moment. Sometimes a signal need to develop, and I explain people best places where they exactly can take trade. Plus separate updates about BTC on daily basis with clear plans where to take trade. It's how it looks when people ask questions, how people get replies to their questions. It is a feedback from our community members, how they make money with us, how they study from us, because it is also good education. Here it is every week we hold live meeting in our trading club about really important topics. Here it is trader share their results. How to join the club. What you do below this video, you open the stream. Let me show to you. Oh my God. You open the stream, and in description to the stream, there would be get access to our private club. It would be exactly this link. In that link here, you open this trading bot, you open it, and you, here, what you do when you open this bot, you press start. After that, this bot will share with you info about what you exactly get. And here you can press share your phone number. And my team after that will contact with you and share all details. Okay, let's go to my friend. We stop that offer at this moment. You can join only by buying access. About all of that, you open that board and speak with my team. They will tell you all the details. Okay, let's go to examples that I prepared for you before once more. We have situations when it is clear that there would be reversal or a stop of a trend. In all other cases, what we do, we simply, based on statistic, realize that with bigger chance trade go on, and until there would be a clear signal of trend change, only in that case we would do trades into opposite direction. Example for you, let's do examples on BTC. Example for you on BTC, like Bitcoin. Here, like this situation. When you go on a smaller time frame, like 4-hour time frame, what you can see start of beautiful up cycle, and you would trade this trend until it breaks. You can see a beautiful up channel, and what you do, you simply wait for local consolidation, for retest of VWAP, retest of local point of control, anything like that, and you look trades for continue of this trend, and that's it. When price reach higher border of this, you understand that it is overheated, and for you better to wait for a pullback. In rare cases, you can take trade against a trend. The most important for you to understand a point of reversal. When you have a clear point of reversal, you understand that at this moment you need to play up. And even if there would be some significant volume, it doesn't matter, because have a look, example here, biggest volume and biggest open interest exactly here into high. And what price did? Price did local liquidation, pull back by 3%. How big this pullback was? 4%. And after that, what trend did? Trend went up and continued 8%. Again, what price did? Did a pull back to previous point of control. And what here? There was nothing. You can see volume dropped and price continue uptrend. And when there was a clear structure break, what price did? Started this local down cycle. It's difficult for a start, but when you understand, like here, I shared with you an example of my long trade. Because it was a liquidation, I understood that even if this downtrend go on, there would be pullback with big chance. After that, I shared a plan with our community, with our students. Let me show to you that plan that I shared. I shared several times plans where I would like to take long on BTC, Bitcoin, my dream plan. Why here I shared this key zone? Because here was significant liquidation. Often liquidation stops the trend. And often if price make lower low after big liquidation, it would be also reversal point. And that's the reason why I shared on TradingView, I shared in our community this plan to take long here at 59. Once more, when you have clear point of reversal, after that, your goal is statistically follow the trend. From 1 to 10, how difficult this to understand? 1, it's super difficult. 10, it's super easy. Some of you, Brandy, some of you write 5. My friend, of course, it would be like some of you wrote 4, 5, 6. I understand that it is difficult for a start. That's the reason why we have a community and why I all invite you, because on daily basis I share trading plans and signals, and you can see in what cases it works really well, in what cases there needs something to be improved, and you master it. It's the same as from one side, it's super easy to understand, but on practice, it's harder. How many of you try to learn foreign language? How many of you try to learn foreign language? Write one into a chat if you try to do it, or you already did. As you know, English, my third language that I speak. And I understand how it could be difficult when you read a word, because in English it is sometimes pronunciation could be completely different to what you see on the paper. And as a foreigner, you try to pronounce that word in your own language manner. But when you have some person that are native and tell you, no, it's not sociable, it's sociable. Like in my native language, when I saw for the first time in my life word sociable, I read it as a sociable, because we read words exactly as they pronounce. And only when you have someone with big experience on other side, you can get understanding what to do, especially if you are a beginner. That's the reason why we do this community, and that's the reason why for all of you, I highly advise to join our club, because I will share, you will see our trades, you will see our strategies, you will see our approaches, and it will cut you a lot of years. It's the same if you would try to learn English by yourself. It will take you much harder. That's a reason why, once more, why for all of you, from bottom of my heart, I advise you, open the stream, and in description here would be this link to our trading bot. At least speak with my team. It would cost you nothing to speak with my team, but you will understand how we can help you, because believe me, my friend, you need a help in this business. Let's go to other examples. Okay, let's assume a situation that you understand the trend is up. And what exactly you can trade when you understand that trend is up. And best, just best of the best, as we do with my team, it is to take trades at a local value area low. It's example for you, last signals that I gave to our community. Let's discuss the last signals that I gave to our community on Ethereum. What was the reason why I gave the signal on Ethereum? Because on Ethereum, I understand at this moment we have big rise in open interest. Let me show to you that big build up in open interest. Often that start a significant trend. You can see this one. And often when trend starts, the most important what you can do, for example, even here, example for you, it works in both directions, big rise in open interest and after that trend down. And best what you can do when you understand a trend direction is to wait for clear value and just to take trades above value area high if it is for short and below value area low if it is for long. If you understand clear trend direction and you follow the trend. And your prime zone, it is everything what's above value area high if it is for short. And your prime zone, everything below value area low if it is for long. And in what cases order flow can give you way better entry point? In a case when you have significant, for example, you have beautiful value, and at that beautiful value, at value area high, if you here have some significant absorption on open interest or significant volume exactly into a high, that would be just the greatest confirmation for you to take a trade and have much smaller stop loss. Let me show to you an example. Example of a trade. Let me find the trade on Ethereum. I took it. Let me show to you a trade that I took on Ethereum. That's the reason, my friends, why for all of you I advise to have a statistic, because when you have clear statistic, it's so easy to find some trades that you took and share it as an example. I remember when I took beautiful short, it was maybe this one. Yep. Example for you why you need statistic service, because it's so easy to educate people. It's exactly what we do with our students. We teach everyone to how to work with statistic to improve your trades significantly, because it will speed up and you will make a lot of additional money. And in what cases, once more, in what cases you use order flow? In what cases order flow really helps you? When you understand price direction and you see a significant, for example, build up in open interest at value area high, beauty of this, that you will have the lowest stop loss which would be possible in this business. You will have stop loss like 1%, 0.5%, but potential profit would be in many times bigger. That's example how you use together trend and order flow. And you can see that there was significant volume on Ethereum after this drop. There was significant volume, even if you open 4-hour time frame. Let me show it to you. You can see quite significant volume build up, for example, here. Here, big volume build up with big delta. But why? We didn't take any trade with our team. We didn't try to take any short there, any long there. Why? Because if you understand that you are in a downtrend, only when you see something like this, it would be a signal that trend would reverse. And you simply go on. You follow the trend. My friend, open that bot and speak with my team. They will show you what exactly you can do. That's why, once more, order flow will help you when you understand a trend. Because if you understand the trend is down and you see some significant volume here, for example, you understand that this volume against a trend, and in best cases, you can expect some small pullback, like 3-4%. You wouldn't be super greedy to try to find a reversal. Example for you here. Let me show you detailed example like this one. On BTC, let's open 30-minute time frame. And let me show to you all of those examples, like this one. Have a look. Price started downtrend. And pay attention, every time, significant volume against a trend, in best cases, did a pullback for how big? 5%. And you can find some pin bar, big volume, open interest absorption, all of this stuff, but price only go down. And you saw some fancy strategies on internet, but they didn't work. Because against a trend, in best case scenario, you could take only 5%. But when you find exactly a point of reversal, for example, as here, and you follow the trend, in some cases, there would be big volumes that will give you really big risk to reward ratio. For example, here, I remember here I took beautiful long trade and there was open interest absorption, but I understood that here with bigger chance trend would go on because next key level was only here. And in that cases, big volume like this one, significant volume into trend direction was perfect opportunity to take all this move up. Against a trend, few percent. Into trend direction, a lot of percent. That's a reason why trend is the king. When you understand how to follow the trend, you will understand all of this stuff. Even the last example, a trade that I took 2 days ago on Bitcoin, it was small long on Bitcoin, beautiful long. What was the reason why I took long? because price created beautiful value. And in many cases, you will see that 3, 4, like you will see 80% situations when price create value and go on into trend. And when you understand it, if there would be some significant volume absorption based on order flow, for you it would be only best confirmation to take that trade. But against it, in best case scenario, you get 2-3%. That's why trend far important than some order flow, some volume, some other stuff. Because trend, even here you can see, trend started, big volume was at high several times. And what was in best case? That's why all of you should understand market structure. My friends, once more, let me close. No. Once more, remind to all of you that at this moment you have unique opportunity to join our community where I share clear signals with stop loss take profits, share with you clear trading plans where you can take trades with understanding why you should do that, where it is on Bitcoin and other top coins. Plus, you can discuss with us really important question, ask me what exactly you need to do. What you do, open this link, open this board. That would be this board. Send message. When you press start, it will send you such message. And after that, we'll ask you to share your phone number because my team will contact you. For everyone who will do it, additionally, I will share this presentation as a bonus for free. That's why right now, open that board, speak with my team about how to join community. And also some education, because we can teach you. We spent a lot of time with learning these secrets. Let me reply to some of your questions. Time to ask questions. I will choose 5 questions to reply. Could you go deeper in value area, or this will be entry point topic? Dino, it would be a topic about why trend far more important than order flow. And when you have understanding what's trend, and after you add a bullet order flow, in that case, it would be just excellent and it will work fine. About value area deeply, we teach it in our education program. You can join our education program and we will help you understand it. If you have an existing Bybit account, once more open that board, speak with my team, they will help you. Hello, Sia, please, I have a lot of questions. I have been watching for you lately. Can I ask? Ask, time to ask. Can we do live session scalping in a group? To do live scalping sessions, someone must scalp with you. I love swing trading. If a lot of people in our community ask it, I will do it. If there would be quite a lot of people who would ask it. Okay, open interest went up aggressively on Bitcoin 10K contracts. Sometimes it corrects, other times price continued to go up. How do you deal with this? Is it's confusing? That's a reason why I just told you that you need to understand a trend. When you understand that trend is strong, with a big chance it would go up. It would continue up or down. First, it depends where that volume enter. If price already did quite series of moves, it's really the bigger chance it would end up as a trap. If price only breaking range or accumulation, with bigger chance it would price will make a move after significant open interest. I have a strategy based on that, and I teach our people that strategy. What do you see to identify a trend change as early as possible? Is it by seeing swing highs and swing lows? Once more, here in this presentation, I shared with you the most easiest way how you can find reversal. Once more, for all of you that opened that board and started, I will share this presentation for free. Trend reversal, when price reach important support resistance zone. Statistically, what you do, when you understand that at this moment, for example, you open bigger time frame for hour, and you understand that price of Bitcoin, you have important key level, like this one. You understand that with bigger chance below this key level, price can stop this trend. Important key zones, yes, it is really a factor. Like this one, what they did, they took all of these lows, and after that came back reversed. And again here, at important swing highs, swing lows, but always build it as a zone, because sometimes you can see price bounce before taking actual level. Sometimes price can make drop below or above few percent, but sometimes that lower low can be really big. That's why I always work with it as key zones. For me, it's zones. Yes, it is one of first. Second, it is significant liquidation. It's also a signal for a trend reversal. And another one, it is a big trap based on open interest. You can use 3 of them. Can you explain relation of open interest and delta with volume? Hello, can you show us use open interest and volume and delta in breakout strategy in a trend direction? With my team, we do not trade breakout as a classical breakout. What is a classical breakout? For example, you have levels and here you take breakout. No. With my team, what we do, price create value, and at value area low, we look entry for continue. Or if price picked and price create value at value area high, you look entry for short. Because you can take a breakout at levels, but better to take breakout before it actually happens. Like this one. In most cases, breakout happens when price increase volume and when price increase open interest. When open interest increasing, volume increasing, statistically, it's a signal that there would be breakout from value. But it is it's quite big topic. Is open interest effect in a higher time frames for our daily, weekly? Of course, 100% yes. Because here, example for you, higher time frame, for our time frame. What price did? Big build up, trend started. Big build up, reversal point. Big build up, start of a trend. Of course, open interest matter, and if it builds up on a bigger time frames, it will matter even more. Okay, let me do summary for you. Once more, the most important in trading is to understand market direction. We call it trend, and understanding of price structure, how price move, because price never move like straight up or straight down. It moves with waves up, pull back, continue, pull back, continue. This stuff is super important to understand. After, when you understand trend, you must know key areas. What is your key areas during this trend where you can take trade for continue, and in what cases it's possible to take trade against. But if you trade against a trend, it must be consciously with smaller targets and with better confirmation only. Key zones. And the last one, it is your entry point confirmation. It is what exactly you analyze when you open order flow. It is your key point confirmation. It is when exactly you analyze order flow, like significant delta absorption, big drop of open interest. Anything like of that must be your local entry confirmation. But it goes only after understanding market structure and key zone where you work. Man, if ChatGPT would be good in trading, people who created it would start a hedge fund and would make a lot of money. And only after that, you can use order flow, my friends. That's why trend is the most important to make money in trading. After that, understanding key zones. After that, you use order flow. When you have these three tools together, you will have excellent trades. When you have, for example, trade against a trend, but you use order flow, honestly, it would be hard. What you do at this moment, remind to you what you should do at this moment. You go to video description, you open this board that exactly in this video description, and you join our community where I share with you clear signals, where to take trade with clear stop loss, take profits, where you can ask me and my team important questions that will help you to start, and where you make money together with us. You start this board, you press start. After that, you share your phone number, and after that, my team speak with you and help you. Additional bonus, everyone who would open this board started, I'll share tomorrow this presentation about trends for you to understand how to work with these trends. It would be a free bonus from me, but tomorrow. Okay, when trading value area after a pump and I see that volume and OE increase massively, can I enter a trade? My friends, thank you for your time. There would be new streams about new topics. I was happy to see you here. Understand trends, and you will have way better trades. After when you understand trend, add order flow, and you would be so happy. Love you. Have a good time.